Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Scratch and in my Kid Gecko 123. So this is a project I remixed called Get You Balloons and Balls. Yeah. Okay. And let's do it. Yeah. No escaping. Sorry. Don't touch that. Maybe it's So in the balloon one, I added the balloon.
I have a question. Why do the balloons always go on the right while the robots go on the left?
Because that's how the code is.
That makes it stupid. No balls go where the robots go.
I added ball and ball 2. A target, I didn't change anything. The robot, and I added this robot, I uploaded. It was very hard to find one. This one, when it was in the usual one. So the code from the robot is actually from the, what's it called? Yeah, robots. This robot, I got the code in like this. That's how you do the same code to another script. But I changed the sound. Dun 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 and alert.
Alert.
It's alert, oh no! And this is dun dun dun. So I changed the backdrop too. Dance funk.
This is.
I reversed it, yeah. You can reverse the song. This is how it's supposed to be, but I changed it like this. Like, I want to be louder. Maybe over here will be very loud. Let's see. Maybe just a little something. Okay, this whole thing's softer. Yeah. Okay, the code over here added forever switch backdrop to next backdrop. Wait 1 second. So switch backdrop to next backdrop is much easier than like this. Switch backdrop to W, then wait 1 second, then keep doing it until you do all the backdrops.
You can just switch it to you can use the block next backdrop.
Yeah. I got these backdrop. I uploaded it. I choose Scratch kind of backdrop. Look. These are kind of like tutorials and these. But it's not actually my games. This is an old kind of version of Scratch.
That's Scratch 2.0.
Yeah. And it's in a Safari. I can see. And ball 2 is the same as ball 1.
Because they're both balls.
Yeah, and balloon
is also the same?
I think so.
Yeah, because you both need to get the balloon and the balls.
Yeah, but don't get the robots. So over here, it's pick 1 to 10 seconds to create a clone of myself. Over here, it's 1 to 3. So the robot can take longer to spawn.
Yeah, the uploaded robot.
Yeah. But this one, from the usual thing, will not, because it's 1 to 3, while this is 1 to 10. Then pick random -10 to -90.
So point in direction.
Yeah, this one too. Maybe I want to change it? Yeah. Change it. -5. How about -5? 5. Let's see what will happen. Got 5 seconds to expression. Exposition. Y. Not -1. Let's see what will happen now. Maybe you will never appear? Must be careful of the box, because it can strike any moment. It can strike any moment!
I just saw it.
Then, when green flag click forever, play sound damn funky 5. So the sound is, I choose it from scratch. I always do loops because it's kind of like a real song, but I need to do a loop so it can actually sound like a real song. Say that. Go. That was amazing.
It's like an alarm.
Yeah, like alarm that you, because you know that you hit one.
So the robot will subtract points from your score, right?
Yeah, but the loop adds.
The boss robot will score
It might 5 songs. No, the little robot minus more than the boss. It minus 10, while the boss one minus 5.
the boss.
20. Let's see.
15 or 20.
15 or 20. Shouldn't score by minus 10, see? Okay.
Minus 10.
Wait. Yeah, this is the robot.
It's the boss.
I should minus it into 15. Yeah, 15 because it's a boss, because it's bigger. And this robot is minus 10 too.
10.
Because this is a small little robot, I should do it about minus
9, 8,
5.
5.
Yeah. See it. It will minus 5 points.
So the boss will minus 10 more than the little one.
Yeah. Because it can spawn anywhere. I told you it can spawn anywhere. The shooter is where when you click your mouse, it will pop. Score 100. Because each ball, I forgot if it adds.
It's not adding anymore. It adds not so much.
You boss, I'm gonna press you boss. I'm gonna press something you boss. Because I want to. The boss.
Your score's still over 100.
Let me get
2 bosses.
I'm trying to minus it less than 100. Yes. This is going to be hard to reach. Oh please, oh please.
So the balls and the robots like spawn in the middle, right?
Yeah, but they go this way. But some balloons go
10, 5, 0.
negative.
You can still lose.
Yeah. Your turn. Get all the balloons. Because the little one is like harder to get. Because they literally spawn where you really won't press.
100. Can I get 200?
It's possible. Yeah, it's possible.
I want to go 200. Yay.
I didn't notice that. So I think it will be much better. Does it have it, please? When mouse clicked. Let's see.
So when you get a point, that would be.
No, when you press your mouse, then the background will change. So if you don't press, it will be the background forever.
You can also use a bigger lock with the keyboard. Or if you don't have a keyboard.
Wait, what is that called? Okay, there you are. Oopsies, it's a ball. There. When I receive mouse clicks, switch backdrop to next backdrop, then wait 1 second. How about 2 seconds? There. If you keep clicking, it can change the background very fast. Maybe I won't press the mouse. Yay! Let me save. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash a like and subscribe. Bye bye.